Located 2.4 kilometers from the Walk at JBR and 2.9 kilometers from Dubai Marina Mall, AC Pearl Holiday Marina, seaside 2-bedroom apartment is in Dubai and has an outdoor swimming pool and a fitness center. The property features sea views and is 8 kilometers from Burj Al Arab Tower and 8 kilometers from Mall of the Emirates. The apartment comes with 3 bedrooms, a flat-screen TV and a fully equipped kitchen that provides guests with an oven, a microwave, a washing machine and a fridge. There's a bathroom with a bath and bidet. Aquaventure Waterpark is 9.7 kilometers from the apartment, while Gurunanak Darbar Sikh Temple is 9.7 kilometers away. Dubai Airport is 30.6 kilometers from the property. Do you like an offer? Please, follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.